Hey guys, welcome back to Spot Aria channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to go Twitter for professional for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And now let's go to the story. First, we go to the Twitter application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Twitter. And after that, you can go to the symbol in the upper of the left corner. Click on and see about the Twitter for professional is. Click on the Twitter for professionals. Okay, you can see and you can read about it, get access to the tools you need to better connect with your audience, grow your brand, and increase your profits. By tapping agree and continue, you are agreeing to our professional account policy. Okay, click the agree and continue. Select the categories that you want it. I choose the musician, and if you're done, you can click next in the below of the right corner. Choose about the business or creator. I choose the creator one, and after that click next in the below of the right corner. You can also customize your profile, pick topics to follow, promote a tweet, and more coming soon. I can click to skip for now, and you can go if you want to customize it again. Click on the skip for now. And now your profile picture and your profile of the Twitter is go to the professional account. Okay, this is a tutorial how to go Twitter for professional for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.